Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Do you have leftover chicken, rotisserie chicken or smoked chicken or grilled chicken and you don't know what to do with it? Well, here is a nice recipe to use up your leftover chicken, cooked chicken. So I'm making a Cordon Bleu chicken in the oven, and you will see how easy it is to put these few things together, bake them, and you have another nice, easy, quick dinner. My ingredients are leftover rotisserie chicken that I have shredded. You can dice it as well. Some ham that I have diced also. It can also be leftover ham from your Easter or Christmas, so you can dice it. I have some Swiss cheese, butter, sour cream, salt and pepper, a little bit of white wine, and Dijon mustard. And that's it. In this bowl, I'm going to combine the cream cheese with the butter, the white wine, the mustard, the lemon juice, salt and pepper until well combined. I've greased a baking dish and I'm going to layer it with the chicken. Then I'm going to top it with the ham. Then the butter sauce mixture is going to go on top. And then we're going to put the cheese at the very top. And then we're going to bake it in the oven for a 350 preheated oven for about 20 minutes, 25. More or less, depends on your oven, or until it's done. And then we'll take it out, and if you want a little more color on it, we're gonna broil the top a little bit, and voila, cordon bleu, chicken cordon bleu. And here we have this easy chicken cordon bleu casserole. It's easy, simple, just throw a few things together into the oven and dinner's done. It doesn't get any simpler than that. So I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.